There's a real client. Click setting icon. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant. Scroll down, click repair and start repair. It will take 5 to 10 seconds. Once complete after the successfully prepared pop-up will appear, you need to click OK and come to next tab. Click settings. Click network internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset your network. Once complete after, come to next tab. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click allow an app of users through Windows Defender Vista. Click it. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for real client and Valorant. If real client and Valorant is available means make sure it should be in private and public mode. If it's not means you can enable it. If it's not available means you can allow another app. Click it and browse it and add it. So this is the easiest way to add. Go to C drive, real games, real client and add it, real client. Same like this we need to add a Valorant also. I already have, so I skip it. Next go to another method. Click services. Scroll down and search for VGC. Right click and go to properties. In these, the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. Once complete after, close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text: local app data. In this, you need to search for Valorant. Click served folder and delete the web cache. And go to crashes folder. Inside, if any files and folders are available means you need to delete it. Once delete after, come and restart your PC. Thank you.